So this is what the earth, bare dirt, looks like 7 days after we weeded it. We were here 7 days ago and you can't really even see any weeds. They're there, and if we skip a week, they will get very big. But we just come by every 7 days, go like that. It'll take like 10 minutes to do this whole garden bed, and then come back a week later, but in between you don't have any weeds. This is as bad as it looks. This is the 7th day. So no need for chemicals, no need for bark mulch, no need to live with weeds and clean them up after they get big and then have it look nice like this and then have them get big and then clean it up. The most efficient way is just weekly with a garden hoe. You just hit them and leave them there, and then they turn into nothing and look like that a week later. So It Landscapes, weekly organic weed control with a garden hoe, minimal labor. Just hit them and leave them.